In this video, I'm going to show you how to change from car to motorcycle on Uber Eats driver. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app, or you could also do this on a desktop as well. So if you're on a desktop such as a laptop or a PC, please look up Uber help car to motorcycle Uber Eats driver. Then you're going to see this article from the official uber.com website and you want to load into it. Now, if you're using the app, you want to load into the Uber driver app, then go to the top right and select on help. And then from there, you will then get the option to change your delivery method as well. So we could change it to like a motorcycle, for example. And then over here, it's going to give you more information about the process in general. So keep in mind that once the change is made, you will be able to submit any additional documents as well as update your registered vehicles from the account page on your partner app. So multiple vehicle registrations are only available for the same delivery mode. If you want to register a different vehicle types, you will need to complete the procedure of vehicle type change. And then to change the vehicle, you will need to re-upload the new required documents through the app. And keep in mind that the document review takes around 2 to 3 business days. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down here, and then it's going to say if you wish to change your delivery modes, please select on the following and then choose one. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and change to a motorcycle. You can absolutely do so by selecting over here where it says motorized bicycle. So then you're going to need to input the maker, model, and then the year. Or if you want to switch to a bicycle, type in bicycle. Then you will need to include the license plate, a photo of the license, and then you need to type in I agree and then press on submit. And then from there, it is going to take a couple business days in order to review your documents just to make sure that everything is correct. All right, now here's some other requirements that are important to note. So keep in mind that most regions require motorcycles to be at least 50cc in order for them to count as motorcycles. And I always recommend checking your local Uber Eats requirements, and it must be registered and insured in your name. And insurance must cover commercial/delivery use. And you're also going to need things like a valid ID or any other documentation just to prove that it is actually you who owns it, and proof of commercial insurance or proof of motorcycle registration. Alright, and then you will be notified when you get approved. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.